Our Rotorua lakes have always been regarded as taonga, as treasures. But many of our lakes are now sick and need our help. What happens on whenua affects the quality of our water, and years of urban development and farming have taken their toll on our wai. Over many years, waste heavy in nutrients from animals and humans have made their way into our lakes through the groundwater and sediment runoff. When these nutrients mix with our Kiwi summers, it can promote the growth of blue-green algae, other unwanted weeds, and cause the water quality to decline. Blue-green algae is found all over Aotearoa and are an important part of our ecosystem. But when the weather starts to heat up, it causes algal blooms. These blooms make our lovely lakes turn green. The worst part is that if the blooms get too high in concentration, they can become poisonous to us and our best mates. Kiwis love the water. We like nothing better than taking a dip in a lake or jumping off one of our jetties to cool down on a hot day. The Rotorua Te Arawa Lakes program is working hard to clean up our lakes. But we all need to work together as a community to make sure our tamariki and mokopuna can explore this little slice of paradise as it's meant to be. Clean and not green.